Hey everyone. Um, in this video, I'll show you how to fix telelag or performance issues in 2026. Yeah, if your recordings feel slow, choppy, or your screen freezes while using Tele, don't worry. This guide will help you improve performance quickly because honestly, lag can ruin your recordings, but it's usually easy to fix. So first, close unnecessary apps and browser tabs. Running too many programs uses up your system resources, which can cause lag. So keeping only Tele open helps your device run smoother during recording. Next, check your internet connection. Yeah. A slow or unstable connection can affect performance, especially if Tele is uploading in real time. So switching to a faster network can make a big difference. After that, lower your recording resolution. High resolution recording uses more CPU and memory, so reducing it slightly can improve performance without affecting quality too much. Also, update your browser and Tele. Yeah, outdated software can cause compatibility issues and slow performance. So always make sure everything is up to date. And yeah, clear your browser cache and restart your device. So this helps remove temporary files and resets your system, which often fixes performance problems instantly. Finally, try using a different browser or device if needed. Most of the time, these steps will reduce lag and give you smooth, stable recordings in Tele without interruptions. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.